Push, pull or crank, have you ever wondered what the best way is to open an outdoor umbrella? Hi, I'm Christian from Patio, and after more than 10 years in the umbrella industry, I've seen how much a difficult to open umbrella really can ruin a sunny summer day. We are going to compare the 3 most common ways to open an umbrella: push, crank and pulley, so you can choose the perfect for you. Push systems are the simplest and most reliable option. There are 2 main types. The auto lock system is designed to make opening of your umbrella super easy and hassle-free. Here's how it works. When you push the umbrella up, the ribs and fabric naturally create a tension that keep the umbrella securely in place without you needing to do anything else. No pins, no locks, no complicated parts. And when you want to close it, you simply pull it down. It's that easy. Push lock is just as simple to open and use as the other system, but with a significant upgrade. When you push the umbrella handle up to a certain point, it automatically locks into place, ensuring that the umbrella stays securely open without any extra effort. When should you pick a push umbrella? Well, it's my favorite and it's easy to use, offers added benefit of height adjustment, something crank umbrellas typically don't provide. It's reliable, however, the biggest concern most have is strength. Push umbrellas require a little bit of strength to operate, but for most people with an average build, it's manageable. Take my 63 years old mother-in-law, she handles it with no issue. She adjusts the heights down and then she pushes up using both hands. However, my father-in-law, who has arthritis, prefers the crank system because the push system is a little bit too challenging for him. Crank systems are great if you value ease of use or have limited strength. You simply turn the handle to open the canopy. The system is perfect for anyone who struggles with manual force. However, there is a catch. Don't go cheap on crank umbrellas. Cheaper models often have flimsy cords made of low-grade nylon that frays and snaps over time. Look for durable options with cords reinforced with Kevlar or similar fibers for long-lasting performance. Make sure it's durable because high-quality cranks, they are built differently. The cheap ones, they really break easily after just regular use, and repairs can be time-consuming and really costly if you can even find the spare part you need. One downside to crank umbrellas is also that it's impossible to adjust in the height. If you want to block the low-angle sun, that could be a drawback. For me, height adjustment is a very important feature, so that's why I always pick a push umbrella. And just one more point, cantilever umbrellas only come with a crank system, so it's crucial you invest in a high quality one. Otherwise you might find yourself scrolling through endless DIY how to fix my cantilever umbrella videos on YouTube, or worse, tossing a half broken umbrella straight to the trash. A durable, well-made crank system really saves your frustration and ensures your cantilever is gonna last for many seasons. And then there's pulley system. To be honest, I don't even recommend it, and here's why. It's frustrating to use, it's outdated and requires a lot of effort to open and close the umbrella, and can be a hassle just to pull down the canopy, secure it probably, you need to keep it up while inserting the pin into the pole. It's just very difficult. Plus, umbrellas with a pulley system is often wooden umbrellas, which doesn't come with either tilt or height adjustment, which really limits your ability to control the shade. So save yourself the trouble and skip the pulley system. So which one is right for you? If you want simplicity, durability and height adjustment, go for a push. If you want something that's easy or have limited strength, a crank umbrella is just the one to get. If you're considering a pulley system, my advice, don't. If you're still unsure and need help deciding on what type of umbrella to get, snap me a picture of your space and I'll give you my personal advice and recommendation on which ones to pick. No strings attached. I wish you a wonderful summer. Bye!